Hello and welcome to my advanced web engineering submission. As part of this video, I'm going to be going through the checklist and show that my website has the features required. To begin, we start with the admin features and see if the admin can add a new module. To do that, we log into an admin account, click manage modules, and as you can see, we have module called test, but we haven't got a test 100. So if we just add a module, call it test 100, that module's been created and it will be just it's just there, so that is a yes. The next part is can add and remove teachers. To do that, we'll go back to the dashboard, click manage teachers, and if we click add teacher, we just call it test teacher at user.com. That teacher has been created just there, and we have to remove that teacher. So if we do that, that teacher has also been deleted, so that is a yes as well. Can remove students from a module. To do that, we'll go back to the dashboard, click manage modules. For example, if we go to advanced ethical hacking, we click view students, we can remove that test student. So if we remove that, you're no longer part of the table and that student has been removed, so that is a yes. Can attach / assign teacher to a module. To do that, we just simply click on the drop down, change it to any other teacher, click assign. The teacher assignment has been updated and that teacher is now Mr. John Smith, so that is a yes. Can change the status of users to different roles. To do that, we'll go back to the dashboard, click all students, for example, click on, we'll do teachers actually, we'll go on Mr. Jonathan, change him to an all student. We've got a new all student, we've got 6 instead of 5. For the purpose of the video, I'm just going to turn him back into a teacher, so that is a yes as well. Can toggle modules to being available or unavailable. To do that, we'll go back to manage modules, and as you can see, we've got option to disable / enable. So currently developing mobile applications is inactive, so if we click enable, it is now currently active, but we'll just disable it for the video, so that is a yes as well. Moving on to teacher features, we have to see if the teacher can view modules that they are assigned to. So if we just simply log into our teacher account, we can see that the teacher can view all the modules that he has been assigned to, so that is a yes. Can view students that are attached to a module. To do that, we simply click on view students, and as you can see, the teacher can see all 4 of the students that are assigned to that specific module. The next part is can set a pass / fail to student, which will add a timestamp. So let's do Sarah Ahmed, for example. If we click pass, save that, and I've got the account saved already. So if we log out, log into that account, we can see that that's the completion date for when this is done. So that is the date that the teacher marked it as a pass, so that is a yes. Can register on the site. So on this website, only students can register, so if you can't actually register a teacher or admin. So yeah, as you can see, the registered account is a student automatically, so that is a yes. Can enroll actively study on a maximum of 4 modules, and we'll do this one. Can enroll on modules if not at the current maximum. So as you can see, this is at the maximum, so you won't be able to enroll on that, so that is, I'll do that one first, so that's a yes. And the next part is can enroll on 4 modules, so 1. So that is a yes as well. As you can see, you won't be able to go on anymore because the maximum of 4 has been reached. That's a yes. Can see a history of completed modules indicating pass / fail. To do that, we log into a student account that's already had this done for him. if we click on history, we should see that these are the pass/fails that's been marked by the teacher, so that's a yes. All students only see a list of completed modules. So if we log out and log into an all student account, allstudent@user.com, we can see that all that all student can see is the completed modules. And if you do click on dashboard, you'll get a 403 error. So as they won't be able to see that as they're not active student at that school. So that is a yes. It can have a maximum of 10 students enrolled. This does not include students who have completed a module. So if we log out, and as you could see before, the advanced web engineering class had 10 students, which you wouldn't be able to enroll on. So we'll just clear that out. So view students, if we delete a student, and then if we log into, we'll just create a new student account. Let's just register a new student. As you could see before, you would be able to enroll on this because it's been cleared out. That you can now, and because it's full now, no other student will be able to. So that is a yes. Archiving does not delete the module, only makes new enrollments inactive yet. So let's say test, for example, you can enroll in it right now, but however, if we go to an admin account, click manage modules, we'll find that test modules there is active. So if we disable it, it's not been deleted, it's just still there. So but however, if we log back into a student account, that student won't be able to see that a module to be able to enroll on because it's been archived. As you can see, that test module is not there. We've got test 6, but however, that other test one is not there. So that's a yes. Modules, when undertaken, should store a student start date, completion, and a pass/fail. So this student, if we click on history, we can see the completed date. That's the completion date there. We can see the result, which is the pass/fail, and the student start date will be on the teacher account. So if we log back into a teacher@user.com, click view students, we can see that this is the time that the student started that module, so that is a yes. So that's the checklist done, but also just want to quickly show that all my tests are working. As you can see, all 7 tests have passed and none of them have failed. So that's it for my advanced web engineering submission video. Thank you for listening, and thank you.